Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. Get ready for another big drop after the opening bell. Right now, Dow futures are down about 220 points. The S&P futures are down about half a percentage point, and the NASDAQ is set to open about 0.8% lower after that bell. All of this, of course, follows last week's big sell-off when the Dow dropped nearly 666 points on Friday alone. You can see the losses that we've seen on the S&P. This is actually a look over the past 2 weeks. Now, all of this are making bonds and their higher yields look like a more attractive investment. The 10-year Treasury yield has actually jumped from 2.4% at the start of the year. Right now it's at 2.85. We haven't seen these levels in about 4 years. Around the world, things are looking about the same. In Asia, the Hang Seng lost a full percentage point. The Nikkei in Japan fell 2.5%. That was even more than the Dow lost on Friday. In Europe, they've got about 3 hours left to go, and the markets are also pointing down. The FTSE in England is down 1.3%. The CAC in France is close behind. The DAX in Germany is off by about 0.9%. Only the Shanghai Composite seems to be having a good day. China's services sector is expanding at a fast pace, the fastest that they have seen in almost 6 years. Right now, the Shanghai Composite closed 0.7% higher. And we have to talk about, what else? Bitcoin. Take a look at this. It is now trading solidly below the $8,000 mark. As a matter of fact, right now it's at $7,600, off 6.66%. Now, this is actually even a full $1,000 than where it started earlier in the day. Now, a lot of this is because Chinese media is reporting that China is going to block all websites related to cryptocurrency trading. And there are reports that Chinese search engines are already blocking any crypto-related content. That does not help. Of course, a lot of people are getting out of these riskier investments, trying to get back into those bonds just because of the fact they're safer. And look at the volatility index. It's up 27% already, and you can see this huge jump right now. It's at 17.45 rather. Today, we are expecting reports for the Purchasing Managers Index and the Non-Manufacturing Index from the Institute of Supply Management. So we'll look at those numbers a little bit later. But until then, thank you so very much for watching. Please remember to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. Check out our past reports on realinvestmentnews.com. I'm Mike O'Neill, and we will see you after the opening bell.